Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As far as I know, the Cypress Flats objective is the final part of the tutorial. Meaning after that you are done. Don't even have to do the LTS game. Start leveling up and you'll start receiving calls from people.
Take our lead.
In order to find the LS car meet and become a member, you'll first need to load into GTA Online. Shortly after spawning, you'll receive an email from Mimi, who will tell you all about what's going on in Cypress Flats. You can use the interaction menu, hold down the touchpad, or map to set a waypoint to the LS car meet.
Take our lead.
The tutorial begins right after the player creates a character and officially joins an online session. A cutscene starts immediately where the player takes a car ride with Lamar, and during the ride, Lamar gives you the rundown on what you'll be doing in GTA Online.
Let's help you make your mark.
Custom Auto Shop. Just like the MC Clubhouse Custom Shop, it serves as the player's personal custom shop and has the ability to do everything that Benny's and the LSC can do. The only options that are not available are selling the vehicle and adding explosives.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.